So over here you can see that I have a notebook page that I shared with other users, and they made some changes. You can see the highlight on where they made the changes. You can see this blue lines, and these are my notes right here. But we want to view the authors, and in order to do that you can go into the history tab right here, and here you can simply say that you can see that hide authors is on, and if I were to uncheck that, you can see that this is the author. So guest user actually edited these things right here, as you can see, and you can also see the timing, last modified on, the date and the time right there. So you can hide or show the authors right here. You can also find the content by author. So if we were to go to find by author, you can see that I can only see the content that is edited by the guest or by this thing right here. So click here and you can see that these are the contents. So if you were to go over here, go to this one, you can see that that pops up into this tab right here, and it highlights everything that the guest edited. So you can see that everything has been highlighted in yellow, and these are the changes that the guest made. If I were to select this one, you can see that these are my notes, and if I were to type in something, click on this, so you can see that these are the notes that I actually made, and they will be highlighted right here. If I were to click this, you can see that that has been highlighted. So according to the user, the content will be divided right here. You can also see recent edits right here. For example, edits that were made today, edit that were made yesterday, and so forth, like last 7 days and so forth. So that is how you can filter contents by author inside of Microsoft OneNote. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.